Hello, my dear students, my warriors. Again, I am back with a new numerical of sound chapter, ICSE board 10th standard. See, it is a string and it is tied in with the two ends, and when we vibrate, it is the first mode. Okay, so when you see guitar, okay, so that time you have seen the guitarist move up and down the arm. Okay, that is the reason, because when the guitarist start tuning the guitar, the first sound heard, that is this type of shape will occur. Now, before doing this question, I want to explain something, but we must know what is the question. Three different mode of vibration PQR have this three diagrams. Which one is louder and why? Maximum shrillness means sharpness, and the ratio of wavelength of P and R. This is the question, and this question they have asked in the year 2014. It is a question in 2014 ICSE 10th. Okay. So, before knowing this concept, I will clear one topic, that is a mode of vibration in a string. Okay. When any string is tied in with from two ends and just vibrate, you get first mode of vibration is called first harmonic. We can say it is a first harmonic. Harmonic is nothing, just a sound. First sound heard, that is first harmonic. There is two eyes are there. This is one eye, this is two eye, and these are the three eyes. But I couldn't make diagram properly because it is bigger, it is different, it is different size. But all should be with the same size like this. Okay, so it should be like this. So first eye means when you see any wavelength, you can see this is the wavelength. Okay, and just reverse wavelength, you will get this also. So this is the half of the wavelength, means one eye is the half wavelength, means lambda by 2. What is the length of string? Lambda by 2. Length of vibrating stage string is L is equal to lambda by 2, and lambda is the fundamental wavelength, fundamental mode of wavelength. This is the fundamental frequency. This is a second harmonic, and this is a third harmonic. Harmonic is nothing, just a frequency. L, length of vibrating stage string, so lambda 1 is equal to 2L. What do you got? Lambda is equal to 2L. Whatever the length, wavelength is 2 times of the length. So lambda is equal to 2L. Now here we want to get the frequency. V is equal to N lambda. N is the frequency. In your books you can see the F. So N1 is equal to V by lambda 1, and what is the value for lambda 1? That is called V upon 2L. V upon 2L is the wavelength. Okay, V upon 2L, V upon 2L, N1 is equal to V upon 2L. This is the first frequency. V is the velocity of sound. Okay, so N is equal to V upon 2L. And when you see this is a double and this is a triple. Okay, so you can say, if somebody will ask you what is the ratio of wavelength, this wavelength is lambda by 2, and this is a 3 lambda by 2. So you can say 1 is to 3 is the ratio. So ratio will be clear, very simple. What is the maximum shrillness? See, first wavelength is N1, second wavelength will 2N1, and third will be 3N1. This is the one, it is a N1, it is a 2 times of the N1, and it is a 3 times of the N1, means it is the first eye, second eye, and third eye. 3 eye means this eye is 3 times of the first. So maximum shrillness means maximum frequency. So maximum frequency in this. And why this is the louder? Because wavelength is large. If this is the wavelength amplitude, and this is the amplitude. This will be the louder. This will be the louder. So if amplitude is high, means it will be louder. This case amplitude is high, this case amplitude is smaller. So in first, the sound is heard in first because of large wavelength. In second, what is having maximum shrillness? If the frequency is high, shrillness is high, you can say R has maximum shrillness. And what is the ratio of both? 1 is to 3. Got it? So this was the question they have asked in year 2014. So bye bye students.